Are you sick of protein snacks that taste like dry sponge? These chocolatey protein donuts are soft, rich, and actually taste amazing. Plus, each donut packs about 13 grams of protein, so you can enjoy a treat and hit your protein goals at the same time. To make these delicious but healthy high-protein donuts, blend 1/2 cup of sprouted rolled oats in a blender or food processor until they turn into flour. Sprouted oats are more nutritious and easier to digest, making them a better option than regular oats, but really, any oats will work for this recipe. Next, add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sweetener, 2 tablespoons of casein protein powder, 2 tablespoons of whey protein powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk everything together until it's well combined. Next, in a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons of skyr or Greek yogurt to the bowl. Then add 1 whole egg, followed by 2 egg whites. Then add just under 1/2 cup of milk. And finally, add 1/4 cup of peanut butter or 1/4 cup of powdered peanut butter. Mix all the ingredients until smooth and well combined, as you can see in the video here. Next, pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir with a whisk or spatula until everything is fully combined and you have a nice and smooth donut batter. Be careful not to overmix. Just mix until there are no dry spots left. Next, grease the donut pan with some oil or butter and spoon the batter into the molds. Do not fill the molds to the top. Just leave a little space so the donuts can rise. If the batter looks uneven, smooth it out a bit. Bake the protein donuts at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. They will rise as they bake and fill the kitchen with the smell of chocolate and peanut butter. Once they are done, let them cool in the pan before taking them out. To make the protein frosting, mix together 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of casein protein powder, 3 tablespoons of skyr or Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of powdered peanut butter or regular peanut butter, and just under 1/2 cup of milk in a bowl. Stir until smooth and creamy. If it is too thick, add a little more milk. If it is too runny, add a bit more casein protein powder. Next, dip the donuts into the frosting. Make sure to coat the tops evenly. Give them a little twist as you lift them out. For a nice look and extra protein, you can sprinkle some crushed peanuts on top. This adds a bit of crunch and makes the donuts look even better. These protein donuts come out soft and a little chewy, with a deep chocolate flavor and just the right amount of peanut butter. They're not too sweet, but the frosting makes them rich and creamy. It's the kind of snack that feels like a treat, but actually keeps you full.
Yum.
If you like these healthy protein donuts, then you are definitely going to love these lemon protein bars. Check them out here.